Oh, guys, here's 10 things to not do. Here's 10 things to not do at the door. Number one, don't make a ringtone sound. Or else you'll get called by the cops. Don't break. Second, don't break the doorbell. Don't go and don't 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 go in somebody's property. Guys, I'm just playing Roblox right now. Oh my god. The most epic part of the card. Don't play Roblox in front of people's doorbells. You know, number 5. Doorbells are security cameras. They're like doorbell cameras. We got the Ring doorbell. Everybody in this neighborhood does, but I think some of you have a plain doorbell. But you know what? Expensive. It's expensive. It's expensive to get the Ring doorbell. Sorry guys, I didn't do 10. I think we did just like 17.